Hello guys. Today I will be explaining to you how to enter the second dimension. I do not know why you would possibly want to enter it, but I will tell you how to do it anyways. First of all, if you succeed, you will most likely die in the process. This is because we only function in 3 dimensions, and going into the second will obviously cause a lot of problems. So please do not try this unless you are really desperate. Entering the second dimension is surprisingly more easy than entering the others. This is because of things called brains, which are basically invisible membranes that trap everything inside in a certain dimension. Our universe is a 3D brain, so that means that everything inside must stay 3D, with the exception of singularities and strings. This also means that only brains with 3 or less dimensions can exist in our universe. But in order to go into the second dimension, you will have to get a 2D brain. These do not exist naturally, though, but you can make one easily. All you would have to do is get 5 brains with the same dimensions, and collide them together with some sort of force, because you wouldn't be able to with matter. But how do you enter it? Sadly, you cannot, because you just simply can't just suddenly become 2-dimensional. Even if you slice yourself into planes that are extremely thin, you still won't become 2D. This is because the fundamental particles that make up the atoms of a 3D being, which cannot be split any further, are 3D. But you could walk through the 2D brain. If somehow, something was living inside of the 2D brain you literally just created a few moments ago, they would still witness you walking through. But where can you find the 5 brains to collide into each other? Well, there are these naturally occurring 1D brains in the universe called cosmic strings. Though technically 3D, they are a femtometer in width and function as if they're 1D. The thing is, the nearest one is somewhere around 1 billion light years, and we will probably never get to one. Another option is to make a black hole. Scientists have already done this, so in the future, we might be able to do it too. The reason for this is because the singularity of a black hole is technically a 0D brain. So if we made 5 black holes, and quickly collided them, you could possibly make a 2D brain. But still, please do not try this at home. 99% of the information in this video is probably inaccurate, and plus, you probably do not have enough skill to make 5 black holes anyways. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and see you next week. Bye.